Good morning, everybody. I've woken up this morning and Archie's decided to go out begging again. It's been a difficult 6 months. I mean, we really have been, scrimping and scraping and scratching and, just penny pinching generally and being very frugal. And Archie's come up with a particular scam where he sits on the corner of the road with a little cup and a stick and pretends he's got a broken leg in this little get-up. And apparently it works. He came back last night with £57 and 19 pence. So obviously he's doing something right to add to the household. So we've got enough food for the rest of the week now, so that's good. But anyway, Archie, I appreciate all you're doing, and we can probably have Chinese tonight if you do well. So fingers crossed.